Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 20 divided by 1 divided by 10 times 10. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel. So mostly people can wrong this question. He can cancel 10 and 10 with each other, and the answer is 20 divided by 1, which is equal to guys 20. But guys, this answer is wrong, because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where division and multiplication have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So we can solve this expression from left to right. So according to KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip, we can write it as 20 times 10 times 10. Okay, now 20 times 10, which is equal to 200 times 10. 200 times 10, which is equal to 2000. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks a lot.